Now, having said that we don't know anything in this country about how juries in our country deal with this, there has been some research in the US that has tried to look at jurors' ability. For instance, there's a very interesting study that was done, very good study, very reliable one, done a few years ago, looking at the extent to which jurors understand complex DNA evidence. Okay. And it was also designed, again, not to just look and see, do they or don't they understand, but it was also designed to see, can we give them tools? Are there certain tools you can give juries to better help them understand things like probabilities and with DNA evidence? So that was really interesting, and found that, perhaps unsurprisingly, I don't know, that if you actually present things like DNA evidence, or particularly the probability of it being the accused, in a visual way, then that can actually, as opposed to just doing it all orally, which is our tradition in the courtroom. The barristers get up and they speak, and the witnesses get up and they speak, but both prosecution and defense really don't use visual aids very often. So the American study found that the use of visual aids and also having, let's say, visual summaries or even written summaries that juries can take into the deliberating room with them when they come to discuss the evidence helped improve their understanding of exactly what the probability evidence in terms of DNA actually meant in terms of probability of guilt. So that was quite an interesting study. From my point of view, what was interesting is that it suggested that, members of the public can understand these complex issues, but it's the responsibility of the criminal justice system to look at and identify what are the best tools that juries can have to do that job to the best of their ability.